Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn difference between remove and pop method in Python. Remove method in Python. The remove method is pass the value to be removed from the list. It is called done. If the value appears multiple times in the list, only the first appearance of the value will be removed. Syntax: listName.remove element. The parameter element is the value to be removed from the list. Example: in this example, I call the remove method with the value cat as an argument. The method goes through the list starting at position 0 and searches for the value passed to it, in this case cat. When the method finds the first occurrence of the value, that element is deleted from the list. The print statement print mylist will print the output. The output is dog, horse, cow. Here cat is removed from the list, so list has a remove method that can be passed a value, and if that value exists in the list, the value is removed from the list. Pop method in Python. The pop method in Python removes the element at the given index and returns the element. Providing a position number is optional. If no index is specified, the pop method removes the last element in the list and returns it. Syntax: listName.pop index. The parameter index is an integer specifying the position of the element you want to remove. Example: in this example, we call the pop method with index 2 as an argument. The pop method in Python removes the element at the given position and returns the element. In this example, the given index is 2. So Python will remove and return the element at index 2 in the list. That means the value 3 in the list will be deleted and returned. The index of the first element in the list is 0. The second element is 1, and so on. The variable out stores the removed item returned by the pop method. The first print statement print out will display the removed item from the list. The next print statement print mylist will display the modified list 1, 2, 4, 5. Difference between remove and pop method. The remove method removes a value from the list using a value passed to it. The pop method removes an element from the list using an index passed to it. The remove method returns none. The pop method returns the element that was removed from the list. The remove method takes exactly one parameter. This parameter is mandatory. If we omit the parameter, then Python produces a type error. The pop method takes only one parameter. This parameter is optional. If no index is specified, the pop method removes the last element in the list and returns it. The remove method raises a value error if we attempt to delete a value that does not exist in the list. The pop method raises an indexError if the given index does not exist in the list. For details about the remove and pop methods, you can watch our YouTube videos. The links are given in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Next video is list reverse method in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.